So SmallRig contacted me and they did send me their current mobile dual handle kit and a few accessories. So let's unbox this real quick to see what's in there. So this is a kit that includes a case for your phone and a cage as well. I think there might be even, yes, there's also a frame. So it's just a rubber frame. If you want to use your phone without a case, I'm not quite sure why you would, but that's all right. And in this case, new handles right there. 2 of them. I think it's essential to have 2. And yeah, this is basically it. That's all there is in this kit. It comes with 2 adapter plates, basically one with T-mount and one with 16mm, which is more commonly used. It is attached like so. Yep, and there you go. So here's my iPhone 17 Pro Max. And yep, really nice case. Fits perfectly on there. Has this nice little stand thingy here, which can be interesting, and also I think they will come up or out with a like a grip that will magnetically connect to here, but this is not out yet. And it has a camera button here and action button. So overall, I really like this case, really snug. Quite a big opening for the USB-C, which is fine, I think. We'll test this, of course, and make a full rig review and stuff like that. Also, if you want to see how this bumper looks like, yeah, not too keen about that, because now the phone is exposed here. This is rubberized. This is not interesting. Yeah, but I mean, now the phone is really light, and as you can see, it's quite open here. Now this is the cage, and as you can see, this is the only one, I think, and you can use the phone with your case installed with the cage, and this is quite essential. Before, with other cages, I had to remove the case of the phone, and yeah, this is sometimes a bit tricky. Yeah, but overall I think this is a nice solution, because I really like to use a phone with a case. And of course you have lots of mounting points on top here, cold shoes here, more mounting points here, cold shoe here. So overall, quite a few mounting points. Now, the only thing that I don't like and might be an issue is the USB-C port. It's deep in there. To connect like a normal USB-C adapter, a small SSD or something like that, might be not possible. For example, this one, Orico sent me this, and this will not be able to fit in here. Also, it's not working like that, so you have to be a bit more creative in terms of connecting USB-C port stuff here. We'll try that and show that in a follow-up video, of course, in a full review, hands-on video. They also sent me this, and now you can use filters like this filter set they also sent me. Comes in this nice bag here. And you have this magnetic ND filter. And now you can connect it like that. I will have to test it, how the vignetting is and stuff like that. But the idea is that you still can connect MagSafe accessories like a power bank, like so. So this works now, and you have magnetic adapters there to connect any other filters that have 67mm filter thread. So that works fine. And they also sent me the USB-C hub. So now in order to connect stuff, It should fit into the cold shoe here. And now you connect to the USB-C port right there. But again, I will test all this in a separate video to see what's what, how those handles work. There's also like a Arca-Swiss adapter to go on a tripod. They sent me the tripod as well. So the idea is to have this instead of a tripod plate. You could just connect a this adapter here, like so. Now this is Arca-Swiss, and this can go onto a tripod. Again, I will test all of this with filters, handles, accessories, and see what's what and how it works. But overall, especially the case is quite nice. Just can remove this. I really like this. Anyways, thanks for watching, and there will be more iPhone 17 Pro Max content, of course, in the next few weeks. See you in the next one. Back to work.